Being on the border of both Eaglemont and Ivanhoe, it truly gives you the best of both worlds. Having Eaglemont train station and Ivanhoe train station only moments from where we stand. On offer is some of the best schools this side of the Yarra River. Ivanhoe Girls Grammar School and Ivanhoe Grammar School are only moments away.
Number 6 Ashby Grove is perfectly positioned to make the most of the area. I'm Liz Walker.
And I'm James Labiris from Nelson Alexander.
Come and join us on a tour of the home. This arts and crafts inspired residence offers grand scale living in a prized precinct close to Eaglemont Village, transport, leading schools and parks. This welcoming home incorporates formal living and dining rooms, spacious second sitting room, 5 well separated bedrooms, study zone, neat kitchen and a family bathroom. This exceptional property features polished timber floors, timber mantled open fireplaces, ducted heating, split system air conditioning and generous storage throughout.
French doors from the dining room open to a broad veranda overlooking the back garden, which includes a games room, carport, workshop and garden storage. Subject to council approval with potential for further renovation or redevelopment, this magnificent land size is what you have been looking for. Thank you for taking the tour of number 6 Ashby Grove here in Eaglemont.
We'll look forward to meeting you at the next open house inspection.